Good morning, everyone. Everyone, wear your school uniform at the time of the class. Wear your school uniform. Abhinandan Jana, Aryan. Wear your school uniform at the time of the class. I am saying repeatedly. Everyone, wear your school uniform. Abhinandan Jana, wear your school uniform or wear a t-shirt. Yes, Tanveer. Unmute yourself, Tanveer. Start the prayer. Yes, start the prayer.
Join your hand, close your eyes. Oh God, help us to be good, to do to others as we should, not to hate, but to love. Send us peace from above.
Hey,
Amen.
wait, Tanveer, wait. Hey, everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Everyone, join your hands, close your eyes. Everyone. Now start, Tanveer.
Oh God, help us to be good, to do to others as we should, not to hate, but to love. Send us peace from above. Amen.
Okay, very good. Okay, everyone open your English literature book. English literature. Chapter 9, Drip, Drip. Chapter 9, Drip, Drip. Okay, so this story is a humorous story. Okay, Drip Drip. This story is a humorous story. Have you read of great heroes and warriors who fought bravely for their king or country? What would happen if someone became a hero by accident? Find out in this story. Okay, so have you read of great heroes and warriors who fought bravely for their king or country? Have you read in history? Have you read the kings and all the kings and the countries that the king fought bravely and the warriors fought bravely and win the country one by one? Okay, so have you read in history? Here, what would happen if someone become a hero by accident? By accident become a hero. Find out in this story. A tiger was caught in a storm one evening. A tiger was caught in a storm one evening. He had wandered. Wandered means walked around. He had wandered into the fields looking for something to eat. A tiger was wandered here and there and looking to something, looking for something to eat. He huddled close to the wall of Naini's hut for shelter. He huddled. Huddled means sat with arms and legs close to its body. Look at the picture of in your book. In left side, look at the picture. He huddled, sat with arms and legs close to its body. He huddled close to the wall of Naini's hut for shelter. Naini was an ill-tempered old woman. Ill-tempered means someone who becomes angry very easily, very quickly. Ill-tempered means someone who became angry very quickly. খুব তাড়াতাড়ি রেগে যায়, ill-tempered. Old woman who lived on the outskirts of the village. মানে outskirts means হচ্ছে ভিলেজের মানে গ্রামের একটা খুব নির্জন নিরিবিলি প্রান্তে থাকে, outskirts. She was feeling especially ill-tempered that day because her roof was leaking badly. Her roof was leaking badly. The Naini was ill-tempered that day. Why? Because her roof was leaking badly. This drip drip, the sound of the sound of the rain, drip drip, the sound of the water. This drip drip, she muttered, pushing her tin trunks and bed from place to place, keep them dry. Tin trunks, large stone box for something, some storing things. Okay, trunk and bed from place to keep them dry. Is there no escape? She slammed the bed against a trunk. Slammed means banged something against something else, making a loud noise. মানে ট্রাঙ্কটা বেডের উপর ধ্রাস করে বসিয়ে দিল জোরে আওয়াজ করে. Picked up a small wooden box and shoved it against the wall. The wall shook. The tiger felt that the wall shook and heard Naini shout. The tiger was feeling that the wall is shaking. Okay, wall is shaking. It's killing me, this drip drip. The tiger was puzzled and frightened. What could this drip drip be? It makes such a terrible noise. It must be dreadful creature. Dreadful means terrible, very bad, dreadful creature. Just then, Bholenath, the potter, passed by. Bholenath, the potter name is Bholenath. The potter name is Bholenath. Bholenath passed by. He was in bad mood too. His donkey had ran away. He suddenly saw an animal huddled against the wall of a hut. There he is, he shouted, and running to the tiger, kicked it. Then he pulled the tiger's ear. Move or I will break your bones. Bholenath said that, move, otherwise I will break your bones. Bholenath said to the tiger. The tiger was really frightened. Tiger was frightened. This must be that terrible drip drip, he thought. Without a growl, he followed the potter home. When they reached Bholenath's hut, the potter tied the tiger outside with a strong rope. So the tiger was frightened and just go to the Bholenath's home. Went to the Bholenath's home. There Bholenath tied with a rope. The tiger tied with a rope near Bholenath's hut. Okay. You can stay out in the rain, he shouted. The potter's wife got up early the next morning. As she came out of the hut, she saw the tiger and screamed. চিৎকার করছে. Screamed means shouting, চিৎকার করা. Bholenath came running out. He stopped short when he saw the tiger. Stopped short means stopped suddenly. Bholenath stopped suddenly suddenly when he saw the tiger, then he turned and ran. His wife followed him, still screaming. They shut the door of their hut and pushed their bed and trunks against it. Other people in the village were awake by now. They saw the snarling tiger tied outside Bholenath's hut. Astonished, they hurried off to tell others about it. Others, villagers, very much excited to see that the Bholenath's, out of the Bholenath's house, the tiger was tied outside the Bholenath's house. That situation, that incident, the whole inhabitants of this village were very astonished, very surprised to see the situation. After a while, the terrified tiger finally chewed through the rope and ran back to the jungle. Finally chewed the rope, মানে দড়িটাকে chew করে দাঁত দিয়ে কামড়ে কেটে ফেলেছে এবং finally back to the jungle. After a while, Bholenath peeped through a small hole in the door. The tiger's gone, he whispered, trembling but relieved. Relieved means happy that something bad was stopped happening. He was very happy. The tiger was gone. Trembling but relieved, he opened the door. Many people came to visit Bholenath's house because, did you really kick him? Asked the carpenter. Bholenath had recovered from his fright now. I not only kicked and slapped him, I even pulled his ears. He replied with a laugh. হেসে হেসে বলল, আমি ওকে চড় মারিনি, শুধু চড়ই মারিনি আর শুধু ওকে কিকও করিনি, ওকে আমি কান ধরে টেনেছি, ওর কানটা ধরে আমি টেনেছি বলে হাসতে হাসতে বলতে লাগলো। Word of the incident spread until even the king heard the story. He sent for the potter and said, when the king heard the story, he sent for the potter and said, I have never heard of such bravery. King said that I had never heard such a bravery. Bholenath was very brave man. We need men like you in the army. You shall be my general. বলছে আমার যে প্রজা সেনাপতি এরা রয়েছে তাদের মধ্যে আমি তোমাকে নেব, ঠিক আছে, তুমি আমার সেনাপতি হবে। One evening when the whole court was gathered, a soldier rushed in crying, war. The neighboring king has declared war. He is at our borders with 80,000 men. The king called Bholenath. The time has come to prove your bravery. When one evening, when the whole court was gathered and a soldier rushed in crying, war, the neighboring king has declared war. The king has declared war. Then he is at our borders with 80,000 men. So the king called Bholenath because the time has come to prove your bravery. এই সময় এসেছে যে ভোলেনাথ তখন ওর ব্রেভারিটা প্রুফ করবে, ও যে সাহসী, ও যে খুব বুদ্ধিমান সাহসী, ওর ব্রেভারিটা এখানে এবার প্রুফ করতে হবে, কারণ এখন যুদ্ধ করতে হবে, ঠিক আছে, war. The king called Bholenath, the time has come to prove your bravery. I appoint you my commander in chief. I will do my best. Bholenath stammered. Bholenath স্ট্যামারিং মানে হচ্ছে তোতলামি, ঠিক আছে, স্ট্যামারিং করতে করতে বললো, হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ আমি পারবো, করবো। His heart beating loudly with fear. That night Bholenath said in despair to his wife, I don't even know how to ride a horse. What will I do? I don't know how to ride a horse. So how can I fought the war? আমি তো ঘোড়াতে চাপতেই পারি না, তাহলে যুদ্ধ করব কি করে? Don't worry, she replied. I will tie you to the horse. What happens after that is in God's hands. Early the next morning, a messenger arrived with a handsome black stallion. Stallion means হচ্ছে ঘোড়া, male horse. Stallion means male horse. It belongs to the king himself. He has sent it for you to ride into a battle. Bholenath unhappily followed his wife out to the house. Four servants lifted him onto the black stallion. Then his wife tied him securely to the horse. She even tied one end of the rope to the horse's tail. The horse did not like the feel of all these ropes and rearing means raising the front legs up, rearing up suddenly, galloped off with Bholenath holding on desperately. মানে সামনের দিকে পা দুটো তুলে দিয়েছে, ওকে তো দড়ি দিয়ে তো বেঁধে দিয়েছে ভোলেনাথকে, ওর বর, ওর ওয়াইফ। এবার যখন টেলেতে রোপটা বেঁধেছে তখন ও কি করেছে, ওর সামনের দিকে পাটা তুলে দিয়েছে, কিন্তু ভোলেনাথ just stick to its body in this horse. Okay, so Bholenath holding on desperately, খুব জোরে ভালো করে ধরেছিল ওটাকে। Suddenly Bholenath realized that the horse was heading straight for the enemy camp. Okay, okay, so we will stop here. Okay, tomorrow, page number 62. Tomorrow we will start. Those pages are left. Tomorrow we will start. So we will stop here. Everyone read this chapter first carefully. Okay, read this chapter. First read it. First read. Just I will give your attendance. সপ্তপর্ণা অ্যাবসেন্ট, সপ্তপর্ণা wait, wait. সপ্তপর্ণা, yes, Arad.
Ma'am, I have many doubts.
Yes, tell me.
What is the meaning of outskirts?
হ্যাঁ, আউটস্কার্টস মিনিং হচ্ছে গ্রামের হচ্ছে একটা বিস্তীর্ণ প্রান্তর, বিস্তীর্ণ এলাকা যেখানে খুব একটা মানুষজন থাকে না, আউটস্কার্টস। ইনসাইড মিনিং গুলো আমি আই উইল গিভ দ্য ইনসাইড মিনিং ইন স্টাডি ম্যাটেরিয়াল। ঠিক আছে, তুমি বলো, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি।
Teen,
হ্যাঁ,
teen, T-I-N.
where?
Teen trunks. Pushing her teen trunks.
teen, oh yes, teen is a টিনের the material, যেরকম আয়রন হয়, আয়রন, টিন, লোহা, টিন, the material, tin trunk.
Okay.
Yes.
Escape.
escape মানে পালিয়ে যাওয়া।
And shook.
শুক মানে হচ্ছে নাড়ানো, শেক, শেকের past tense শুক।
Puzzled.
পাজল মানে বিভ্রান্ত হওয়া, বিভ্রান্ত হয়ে যাওয়া।
And terrible.
টেরিবল মানে সাংঘাতিক, প্রচন্ড, বিভৎস।
Huddled.
Huddled means হচ্ছে sat with arms and legs close to its body। এই যে দেখো টাইগারটা কিরকম বসে আছে, ওটা হাডল।
Okay, ma'am. And general.
হ্যাঁ, জেনারেল।
Yes, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ, জেনারেল মিন্স সাধারণ, কিন্তু এখানে হচ্ছে ওই যেকে বলে না প্রধান করে, সেনাপতি প্রধান, যুদ্ধের প্রধান যে হয়, কমান্ডার ইন জেনারেল, সেই।
And scout.
হ্যাঁ,
Scout.
স্পেলিংটা বলো কোনটা?
C-O-U-R-T. C-O-U-R-T.
কোর্ট মিন্স হচ্ছে এখানে অনেক লোক, অনেক সমাগম, ঠিক আছে। কোর্ট ওয়াজ গ্যাদার্ড।
And declared.
মানে হচ্ছে তোমার এ করা, অ্যানাউন্স করা, অ্যানাউন্স।
Commander in chief.
হ্যাঁ, কমান্ডার ইন চিফ, ওই যে বললাম যেটা, অ্যাপয়েন্ট ইউ ইন মাই কমান্ডার ইন চিফ, যুদ্ধের যে প্রধান, কমান্ডার ইন চিফ। চিফ মানে মুখ্য,
Means general.
হ্যাঁ, yes.
Okay, ma'am. And stammered.
হ্যাঁ,
S-T-A-M-M-E-R-E-D.
স্ট্যামারিং মানে তোতলানো, তোতলানো।
Okay, ma'am. And this
pronounce it.
messenger, M-E-S-S-E-N-G-E-R.
মেসেঞ্জার মানে দূত।
The
ব্যাটল মানে যুদ্ধক্ষেত্র। সিকিউরলি মানে খুব কেয়ারফুলি, সতর্কভাবে। rearing up means হচ্ছে raising the front legs up,
and gallop.
হ্যাঁ, স্ট্যালিয়ন মানে তো জানো, এটা আর তোমার জিজ্ঞাসা করা উচিত। হ্যাঁ,
Stallion, not stallion, gallop. I know stallion.
you know stallion. Gallop means হচ্ছে লাফানো, galloping.
And rearing, Desperately.
Desperately. Yeah, desperately means fearfully. Fearfully.
Okay, ma'am. And heeding.
Hmm?
Heeding.
Where?
Page number 62.
না পেজ নাম্বার 62 আজকে করাবো না, পেজ নাম্বার 62 নেক্সট ডে। ওকে,
Okay, ma'am. No more doubt.
61. ওকে
Okay, ma'am. No more doubt.
ওকে। আচ্ছা, everyone have you any doubts? So Arhat, tell me many doubts and I will clear. Those doubts have already cleared. Don't ask that doubt. Okay, don't ask the same doubt. Anyone has another doubt to tell me? Okay, একই জিনিস আবার যেন জিজ্ঞাসা করো না, নিশ্চয়ই শুনেছো সবাই আমি বলেছি। হ্যাঁ, যদি এর পরে আর কোনো ডাউট থাকে তাহলে বলো। রিত চক্রবর্তী। রিত চক্রবর্তী।
And
Yes, yes. Tell me.
what is the meaning of rope?
Rope means dori. String.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. আচ্ছা, তাসকিন।
Ma'am, do you send the exercise and questions of the wind chapter?
I will give inside meaning of this chapter. That I am telling. And I will give all the study material of whole English language and English literature. Both I have already given, and those are left I will give.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yes, Taifim Haq.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of terrible?
হ্যাঁ, টেরিবল মানে হচ্ছে বিভৎস, সাংঘাতিক।
What is the meaning of hopelessness?
হ্যাঁ, হোপলেস। Yes,
Hopelessness.
মানে হতাশা, হোপলেস।
Okay, ma'am. More doubt.
Yes, Ahonish.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of huddled?
হ্যাঁ, huddle means হচ্ছে sat with arms and legs close to its body. দেখো বইতে দেখো বাঘটা কেমন বসে আছে, টাইগার যে ওয়েতে বসে আছে সেটাকে বলছে huddled. Okay, any more doubt?
No, ma'am.
Adrija.
Ma'am, I want to show you some. I have no doubts.
Okay, show me.
Wait, man. I am showing.
First.
Wait. Wait, man. Man, see.
Yes. What is this?
They are paper dolls.
Okay. Very good.
And there are dresses of her.
Oh, yes, dresses. Okay. Bah, very nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
হ্যাঁ, দাঁড়াও অদ্রিজা, হ্যাঁ বলো। Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I am saying I have no doubts.
Okay, very good. Acha, everyone read the chapter. Deepayan Haldar, Aryan, and Deepayan Haldar and Aryan. Okay. I will tell your doubts. I will solve your doubts tomorrow. Okay. Because I have no time now. Already time is over. Aryan and Deepayan. So everyone, bye bye.